Hey guys, and welcome back to Number 9 Farms. We received a package from Almond Cow, and what this is that somebody had bought one of the almond cows, and then of course, since they bought the almond cow, they sent us a $25 like credit so that we could buy something, and so we bought some coconut shreds and some more coconut shreds. And we also got a bag of almonds. And then of course this is the little receipt thing. And it comes in a nice, really nice box. So today I want to thank that person personally for buying one and doing that. It really helped us out a lot because we hadn't been able to make any milk because we didn't have any almonds or any coconut. So it's our lucky day, huh? So we're gonna go ahead and make some almond cow. This is the coconut milk today. And what I've done now is I've gotten 5 cups of warm water, and all it was filtered Berkey water, and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And since it was at room temperature, it didn't take long to warm up. We're gonna go ahead and set up our almond cow and plug it in. This is gonna be amazing. And what I'm gonna do is put the 1 cup of the coconut shreds in the basket here. They come nice and small too, so that's a good thing. Be easier to chop up. And then if you wanted to, you could put a couple of dates in here and some vanilla. But right now I don't have dates. And vanilla I do have, but it is next door and I'm not going to go get it. And remember, I always have trouble with this because, as Bruce says, I'm not mechanically inclined.
Not at all.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just pour the 5 cups, and I did warm that for 30 seconds. And it's on the minimum line down there at the bottom. If it's up here, Bruce, it don't really matter.
Oh.
And then we're gonna go ahead and start it. And I want to show you how fast it is. And it'll do 3 cycles, and then it'll stop. And when the light stops blinking, it's ready. So you wait a second here. This is second round. Go ahead and get mine cup ready. I'm trying, I don't have anything clear. Garfield cup. Okay, so that was, now we're on the 3rd one. Yep, there's the 3rd one. This shows you how fast it is. And also, if you wanted to, you could put a pinch of salt in there also. And that helps sometimes to cut down on the sweetness. And it's getting ready to stop flashing. There it is. So it's ready. Okay, let's see what we have in this little cup that comes with it. This will help set it in when you're take off your top. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely beautiful. Look. And now you can use your coconut for something else. Look at that. And see, I love coconut, so it's all right, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so coconutty.
Coconutty.
It's absolutely delicious. Thank you guys, and thank you so much for whoever bought one. And I'll have the link below to the other one if you'd like to go see it. Thanks.